Rucide rwega mathanya maitu ati muthenya wanyu ni ukirire o wega na tuga kimwendera ona muthenya ungi muraiharaihu na mwegega ni tabarira ya Kimuri ceceni ya Inooro TV gitagwo Michael Jenga na tamutugo turiona jamba ya wira ukiriro mune
ni nani Friday ukoragwo ri muthenya twaria twahingaga Friday
ni muhingo
twaru ndakiuma Kimuri ne koina ne kanyamuka gakoragwo thiini wa WhatsApp jamba ikago maskwebe na rero gaithitio muno twaina professor muthenya wa ira Peter wa OLX onako ndakihota guka muthenya wa muthe muthurita George wa Optiven na to George kwena murata waku muno arajirire etago mudurisho murata wakwa etago Dr. Eminent Dr. Nyamonjok. The eminent persons of Moranga ajirire moga koyori niwiri twariria taru wajirori wajirone kugate ogirwa mutumia tagwo Nyamathai kana wa Maathai kana Maathai kana uigwe mundu etagwo Nyathafari kana Wanjira kana Mwangi ati maritwa macio ni mari na gitumi tadu kuria wagurana ri wage yo matha kuria uhikanitie tondu ndurenda gutengura your in-law riu yo matha in-law ukamwita Muthoni kana Gathoni. So muthenya umwe gucentu kwaria kurikarika hanini tadu twahota kuona mundu tuge atirire ntoingaha ngate oi na kai ne guke ndu renda kuga ndeto mukirisi kugu kuna muthenya tukurora uhoro wa figurative language na mugikuyu aragiate tawe na conference ekuria Roresho PCA mutukateri amuhete wira wa ate oke aheane presentation kana athuria kiama na magerire kuria giathi muthuri wa Burire ni agereire niha ugikuyu ugiuranwo na ukristian inakweli ndandire ndeciri uguo ya mukona mweke tugathie Saturday rush nitatika ni thairato ona kono ithari uthikiririe uigue conversations ira irathie na mbere ya riu ati ni unduire na dini ri yumante na muthungu tarugu twikate muthungu is a potential polygamist no thina wake kana wega wake ahikanagia rimwe akahikia akiumaga kahikia akiumaga kahikagia no ne ukwira polygamy ni nju anyway tukweterire ndagitari mwenya umuthe Michael twenda kwaria horo wa fourth industrial revolution twanaria ndeto icio cia economic emancipation twakiaria horo wegie Uber tau ne tukwaragia na professor aitu ati mundu na mutongu ne mwene Amazon ebere ya mwene Microsoft Bill Gates hena mundu etagwo Alibaba na alibaba.com
ona application ya oni njega muno na wao ndakindu thutha thiko mugwanja kihaku murango-ini
tau twaragia na muthuri mwata witu Karanja engineer kanjira ona indo ira maraka nacio guku na tumena Alibaba koguo ndungimakia ndote ni wagira indo chai na taki we ni urenda miago aiko kuna undu ungi no thimu ni gwitia indo ciaku nacio koguo horo wigi Uber na kuria twerekeire macio maturenda kwaria muthenya wa muthe na twina ageni koguo muthe igukorwo iri Kimuri Universities
muthe ni guthoma
koguo mundu no ekaramu na karatathi tondu kwina notes jone tugwikwo kigeranio thutha wa Kimuri tukwambiriria nawe Dr. Stephen Gashie kuma Tagaza University karibu sana na ukigeithie erori ya Kimuri Inooro TV.
Thank you muno bwana Degito ndakina ukiona mwana wako wa
karibu sana
na bwana Jega
sirika ile
na most importantly muthuri murata wako etagwo professor ona hanite mwanake ni gutirathiri iwe olege thagio ni gugiuka guku kwa media na kimuri na umuthi gwiciria ni kwega tondu ndaigua twina university nigetha aria ayarori magituikia andu awiteithika
na hihi tutana kimakorewe ni atia mwekaga thiini wa Tangatha University
Tangatha no nyambe jugira jikaga ni ngoniretaga MBA program ya social entrepreneurship na kaigi andu marigagwo tuga social entrepreneurship tuga atia kaigi social entrepreneurship ni onjoria aria marutaga biacara ya kugeria guteithia mwanya wiho hari community pero example jega muno ni the mission hospitals biacara ihuraga no ciukaga guteithia kufil mwanya wa health
kuna
gap hiyo no kiuge taru na this no wega na mashokire wira no ke imagine kono gutira kina social entrepreneur especially the mission hospitals ide giteithia andu muno no kione wira uria marutaga koguo basically tomwako ko uri munene getho tuike social entrepreneur ni kuma dabili ari hara ukiri andu mangota ukimenya na
iyo ne startup kana niki
kiona startup ona runo ugicirie within hari ikaraga taru he muthuri wetagwo kuria warorira Nairobi akiona twina thina kindu wetagwo conveniences kana cioro ati ukana kindu wetagwo eco toilet no ugicirie ko hanaga wathioka ugathimuka ugakiamba ukihoya shavi no mwako leke imu but now ni kodo gutheru hari andu marahura biashara yupe ukahe ciringi 10 kana ciringi 5 no ugahota kugena batoshi waku no ahikirio ugo yo ni example mo ya social
kwa gap ukarora kaudu karia gap ya need yo ne ukaihuri
uvatara wa community ukaiuria no ke believe biashara yori muno ti guthondeka profit asha ni ku feel that gap but ni ukiona mametaga surplus.
Okay. Tuena Professor Dominic Mwenja, karibu sana. Njoo kwena inde turaigwa gatula kuhoera. Na riwo ukire mwega. Professor Dominic Mwenja njoo gitogore kinya Doctor Association of South Africa. Karibu sana dhini wake mwa.
Yes, asante sana. Na niwe gane ukuone kumwana regi. I missed you guys. You know nikahida kumwana tuwega almost ogedurano
kya mweri nyanya.
Kya mweri nyanya. Icio hoye na igithira riu ne ye through the rest. Na leke gora demo kende gucoka studio. Ni ndiramwagite muno. No ndimwiragira.
Karibu.
Na riu guciria riu ni time ya Kenya ngukorwo makirora uria tuguthi na mbere ithurano irathirire maundu macio mangĩ ma hũĩ nĩ marathirire no maria megũgĩũka andũ nĩ megũkĩthirwo nao as they come niĩ ndĩkĩrĩ harĩa Merama International College no tũrathomithia ciana na no tũramahe ma scholarship nĩ ũndũ wa
CMD
nĩ ũndũ wa hydroponic technology na
aquaculture
niyo etagwo social entrepreneurship ndagĩtarĩ akuga ũhoro wayo tondu the social entrepreneurship ni ora create value for community at the same time ni ora create value kuria rutia kwa wira at the same time na surplus utigetie
ando
ndogirarira koguo ri nduri wakoheana giothe but wira uraruta ukimenyaga ati ona ni ukumenyera ndu wa rucio no first of all kiri urarwa ni community na uri urahota guteithia community na iyo ni concept iraingira Kenya muno and the rest of the world ni mararealize ati thirikari ndingihota gusolve problems na ndiri hindi kahota gusolve problems ni ithuĩ arĩa me biacara-inĩ makahota gusolve problems. Private sector nĩyo igasolve societal problems.
The education system.
Education system nĩkĩo njugaga atĩrĩ ũngĩrora bũrũri-rĩ especially gĩthomo you look at it as an ecosystem na ecosystem takuga atĩrĩ njenge hau ndagĩtarĩ gacie hau ithuothe twĩ connected to the education system koguo ũrĩa tũgwĩka ũmũthĩ-rĩ eko affect ate ora toka karoshu eko affect the community eno eko affect ate resources ile shimwe noyo leo twamerora as an ecosystem tukahota gusolve maundu
atamugthoma whether ino platform ya Amazon kugura ifuku.
Absolutely. Na nikero to get the horror industry before the industrial revolution umudiri to koreo as an ecosystem where maundu me interconnected ati haha hagithiuru hare na hathiuru nikyo to igatiriri we live in a global village to dotareu kore Brazil magesnis maiga atio manyito nikahoma hanini China ni manyito ni homere nene China gesnis hanini US ni manyito ni homa
na Africa
nori wa Africa retu na thina mwe na nigeragia kwira ndo itu bwana Njenga jikarete rora miaka mingi muno na ni rora ni thiete kinya kuria rugongo up to the top 1% ya population ya US in terms of achievement no ono chibeti oguri jiraga andu and especially andu Africa o the US o the Europe o the other countries me busy muno discriminating against black people they are very busy taru give Europe re area moimaga mega maraima Arab countries na Eastern Europe magivi Europe mametaga migrants I agree on matidi meta migrants they have other words for them to nedo you hakuma Nigerian and all that so they are economic refugees to hamwe they uri washoka waka Africa they need taru gira oria Kenya hana and the rest of Africa they are doing what they but we are too busy hating on each other. We are too busy discriminating each other. What you really Europe is not safe for black people. America is not safe for black people.
At home.
Then in Africa itself, where black people have men are control, we are too busy hating on each other. Where is it safe for a black person?
Maiko, no akigo mode tuenda kwaria ohorocio wigi ogemugeni. The Gororaga statistics here East Africa. They to 161 million. The admission here South Sudan. The Gogarega Kuyudia today. Now, to horo economic sabotage, kari horo ethnicity. Yet had Hakurora, Fiashara, Yamafuri, Yadu, million igana 61. But the net to Geka, Wakonta Kenya, Nudwa Fiashara, ya community. They know a Hariaturi. Don't you at the mobile corona or mohak?
Yeah.
Oyaga, no akiona ubu the Nakamuri Bastido.
Ogi Mugani na Nidrona na Donomaji Korea, Ogi Mugani, Nikomani Shatia. Retali ha dena internet. Dena bundles yakwa. Wira wakwa nenyi gira WhatsApp. Wira wakwa nenyi gira Facebook. Wira wakwa negoro de Twitter. Na Twitter ina dumagana meritu milioni igire wasoko keyori atirere nego tida haukuma usine nginya hwaini no hatire kedo dete idia nakyo nie mwenyewe tiga hihi hatred ira turarithie horo wayo ha muthenya onge neha tugicenje tondu riu haria bururi ukinyite ndiweciria he mundu taina smartphone thiko ici haria bururi ukinyite tirire twetagirira gukorwo na internet ati handu guthie cyber cafe riu winayo guoko ni atia tungika twikurie oithwe enyewe haria turi
thank you muno bwana Njenga wici he maundu meri ingenda he may be professor out of Kyogerera yuge hari indo igire egindo getagwo e-commerce riu niguo urari horo wa the Facebook the WhatsApp the gadget wina cio ugatiriri internet ri yete ogimuhugera uhure biashara 2 egindo getagwo knowledge the knowledge economy kana knowledge management. For example, if you go for a knowledge management, kaigini uriaga kinya supermarket kana hari ukinywa maguta ma betoro kana maybe hari ugithiaga kuhuruka ukaheo loyalty card. Ugeciria marakuhe loyalty card nigetha kama kuheage points. Inakyo sense ure marenda kumenya marenda kuhuthira ugi nigetha mahote ukuiga ta customer. Dikoro tondu makwendete muno nigetha makuheaga point no marenda kumenya atiriri one birthday ya Njenga ni yari na maybe ya mutumia wake Njenga ni kiagura kaiji
kone personalize
nigetha knowledge yori ihote kumenya kiria customer shopping pattern na behavior cia customer
knowledge economy.
That is part of knowledge management. Turahuthira ugi ona mutimi ure wendagia nyanya haria kibanda-ini nyendetie nyanya miaka 10 koguo ena ugi ena guo ukuma na igiete nigetha ukurie nyanya icio ciaku kabiacara ugakure tondu uthota kwaria horo wa knowledge management wiciria ni horo uri iguru mu tene wonaga kinya kurede utauga kindu getagwo mass production tweteketia ati hindi ati wa produce indo ciaku no mwaka magure gwicoka gwicenje tukiuga aca in market tukiuga atiri to mwaka andu magure to ne gukire na substitutes kundu kungi mangikura inde ohana ta icio but no mwaka mahuthira ugire menaguo wa the market wa customer ao nigetha magie na competitive advantage. Ndio kana wana nikiro na kinya mutimi ule wendagia matharu riu ni atukire kwendia matharu tu kwendia goods only agithina o business model ya cover services
ati ndubona nyara titina
wakora ndukereirwo
ora rekia kira nyanya na gatunguru urathiete no wathio kuruga
na karati koguo wendagia ungimuria tiga no utamenyaga ri tendagia mboga she offers services dikandwa ni no haria tukiri kinyanya endagia tikarati endagia offer services
ndio ena business model tondu nitakorona kama iko uria kwera gwatingania kiara
kia biashara
atiru hidauria kinya muisho ate gutika no ginyori kara a business model uguro igati niki kirafatarania
na nigetha abiri gutinangia yanya ri na karatiri ai informirwo niki ni kumenya kwena na kiingi muno na iretu ingi muno matari ati mia kara matahika netie na they are ready madagudi moe matharu mao mathi maruge
enake mundu
so she managed that knowledge very well nigetha agicenjia kinya business model yake
mundu nake githere aratherukia na agakioha kirikihiu
riu gwiciria ona no go scan environment na kahuthira na manage knowledge koguo sometimes knowledge is not only in technology no the percentage ire na muno hari knowledge management ikiri hari technology technology ire wokana uri how do you manage that technology ona rutia kwa wewe tarutu ikira hari guje tu na knowledge ya miaka makiria 70 kulingana na rutite wera
in total
ile professor rutite wera na in total then tugeberia kabuni ni tugi manage knowledge yo atene getha tuge competitive
tume harness
na ligo turuga the next frontier economy ko knowledge based
noigwa uhoro cio maiko ate na kono no todote kabuni guo don
absolutely na riuri le kenyaba de mushoki na hali thutha several hundred years tuone revolution isigeida tutroli horoa fourth industrial revolution
not wera kana Kenya to that
revolution isigeida tuli niliku
ya
na to hata Kenya do
niguo tumenye riu haria tuli as Kenyans revolution ya bere ya kuma 1784 Kenya 1870 hidio niguo andu ma discover steam engines kuhuthira mai
tona miogithi
na miogithi mechanical production makabiria guthodeka riu nyamu cia guthodeka indo 1784 to 1870 niguo na hidio gwito na tutioyo horo wa guthodeka we are moving from magaku maha nyere tugagithi kureithia tugicokaga but na kuria ri ni mamenyete horo wa steam engines na guthodeka migithi na maundu macio mangi iyo ni first industrial revolution. Second industrial revolution ni kuma 1870 kinya 1969 neo ri yokire kindu gitagwo division of labor tuko na atiriri dagitari haria agi specialize na gwika undu umwe ri ne kuruta wira ucio wega na kindu gitagwo mass production oigi guthondeka indo nyingi wa uigi tondu customer first industrial revolution ni to monirio no mahata guthondeka indo no the second industrial revolution ri makingari wa ndege no ni marenda gwika ate ni marenda kugura indo so mass production ya indo ikiambiriria third industrial revolution ni yokide 1969 edio ni go computer shegiride no computer shebiridi hali ya bere mostly after second world war, during the second world war
nende shigana ka nyoba hede
si ade taro nyoba taro dimo yaku ni power edimo yaku umuthi 50 years ago nerumu ithatu cieno na fani nyingi muno cia
muigana wa kathimo gaka
cia kuhurutira then wala iroka ikenyihaga so 1969 ni electronics ikabiria gutuika riu wewe na TV gwaku color TV gioka ame radio okete in the second industrial revolution no le una TV no le color TV ikabiria guka electronics ikabiria guka na maundu macio internet na ikabiria guhuthirwo makiria ni andu na mostly ni thirikari the US na thirikari ya ciari niwe kuma 1969 tugiokoguo internet igioka kwambiriria then kidu 30 years ago tukiambiriria the fourth industrial revolution na the fourth industrial revolution ni baria ya yu we modo na mashini kiambiriria ku disappear ni ndo wake todo hena kindu gitagwo hena physical world ndio ndio rahutio hena biological world wewe mundu wa moyo wewe moyo na maundu macio mangi then hena digital world inoro ya ku reduce kila kitu etagwo area 111111 na kimera coding yegedia leure niko twabiria ku digitize maundu such that ogehoyo x-ray ha Nairobi doko need mundu akore Nairobi ni gwa ba x-ray yako ego tumo idia edia ba morone mundu now we talking about the kwabiridia kubla that means boundary ya mundu na machine ekabiria gwekate kutekunyia leure artificial intelligence ekabiria kuigira ukona machine smart machines zireka maundu maria humans mekaga
robots hiyo
robots sikwere unishe kaberia guka robot ikigira genetic engineering ukona mundu arakuria gutu kwa mundu ungi
kana gakuria gutu iguru wa bea niguo transplant oshoke na araudra cells yaku ukona mundu dagitari New York ni arathinja mundu Nairobi ni undu artificial intelligence kuri arekira moko gloves through the computer agashoka robot ile yego ku Nairobi ego kana yego guthinja kuria ni artificial intelligence they were maundu macio motheri ukona the rest of the world has moved on na todo the rest of the world ya moved on ide ithu tukirwaga na ukavira goko
na Africa no wira gambiria oranjuga jugire the rest of the world ni na bere but Africa too busy kumenana na kurwa taru ndaigo kwina revolution ira biriria Kenya na dero ya tere revolution ya biriria Kenya ri rabiri ndo wake Uhuru dara he's not trying to become life president adaigo makigo horo at Tahrir Square Egypt higora most of our TV station yoko igwa ati Arab Spring nego ka Kenya ninga modi ya tere Egypt ri mwaroaga ni ndo wa Mubarak ukoro ku for 30 years Uhuru wants one more term and he won narabi revolution yake you know maundu maria macokagia na thutha to Africans ni ithuĩ tũrehagĩra maundu macio na tigukorwo tutari andu ogi tutari andu ogi but uguo ndagĩtarĩ ekuga ku manage knowledge ĩrĩa twĩ nayo it's very difficult tondu tutira appreciate maundu maria ũngĩhota gwĩka wĩ ndĩritũ maundu maria ũngĩhota gwĩka wĩ njenga we are look turarora each other's last names are we together tariu he mundu oroigire atirire he andu athire aikarite riu agithikiriria andu angi makiuga atirire aya meciragia ni moyo muno ni watongo no kule igoti-inĩ na mathibitarĩ nĩ dominated na ma trade union nĩtũgũcemania kũ Kenya ũkenyũria atirĩrĩ ũcio nĩ mũafrika ũmwe ararĩ ũhoro wa Africans arĩa angĩ wogere na guore arenda ahudire a destroy arĩa angĩ now the rest of the world is moving on rĩu ũkenyũria atirĩrĩ Kenya where we are today technology wise in the third industrial revolution we still no tali horo IT ando matera gi horo IT ni mo
in fact
ona tena internet na machine ciothe
ndira thikirio githie chronology kare ikura tukiumite no gitwarithia ngari yetu kirenjera moya uthire ikamba-ine ukora andu marari mana na ng'ombe
absolutely 1870 no 1784
nani weta go 1784 ni weta go
1784 before mechanization no before the first industrial revolution 1784 before mechanization
ati andu no marari mana mirao
hedi mameta ox driven kila joto githie the agrarian
animal power
agrarian revolution
ne babeli machine ugathi wakora turari mana ng'ombe na goku moya na goku ikamba-ine wacokarire no the rest of the world iha tu twaicua twakigura turagita na tukauga ati even on the Jubilee manifesto they want to mechanize agriculture no ku tumire about 100 years ago kore agriculture yatuka mechanized 1870 kugorona karagita urari mana kore that is not enough actually nile how you neoria o could na value chain
ke
ni kugathiriri kuma mundu ra kurimira na karagitari kinya agriculture officer uga uguteithia kuhanda ri kinya adia mauka mukukutira wira ri kinya wa harvest ri kinya post harvest
value addition
ri na kinyere bebe cia kwirituika mutu no gicirie mundu rari mana
na fuda na ng'ombe na dume
ushokirore where the rest of the world is through give other industry other jurisdictions ogieta maybe Netherlands ukora mundu ena ng'ombe ciake 10 na na kaderi yake apaka kinyiria yake
yogurt
nona
kogo togo kama tu
tokuiga
ng'ombe value addition
atigaga wena litagirie mo
na rugirima ona go kurima na nikuge all the same ago kurima na food it is how you manage that knowledge ego kuhe the production okirima okigela nitukuge granted wa kirima professor no ari mana na food know how you manage that knowledge mudule okurimira mudule agriculture officer uli okohada uli okagetha uli okadi na post harvest preservation how you manage that knowledge within the value chain leo gatuma umenyeka ni okedia ido ciaku bebe ciaku kana mboco ciaku na uka produce chira na atia tugithie to that level ila tukiuga ati ni good program where we are now like it's how you manage knowledge not only in technology kinya that knowledge Olioreka no ni very sad iko progo horo for the revolution no ragura ng'ombe rucio twathi kurima nayo.
Let me tell you something else I observed. I'm serious. Na daktari hao ni area wega tondu riri. It's ne kuma kedago itago rural tools to wearable technology. Dikana itao. Rural tools to wearable technology. There is about 200 years difference.
Maito ekura kamia da.
Rural tools no go daktari hao yatiriri. Ogo dikugura ng'ombe niguo hekere niguo etago plow
etago murao
niguo kuwe murao
ne plow
no kama ungere kuga gari na ne murao no
aya ushoke ni icembe okay
eredia gera ngitwo na thutha
absolutely like go here example igi na ugure ng'ombe tari uri ria ma campaign ni da geria andu kore gwiturali na geria andu ri I can tell na juga na kidogo mo tere. You cannot envision a future that you don't understand. Dogeshi dio horo a future edia utahota ku understand. And here is the dilemma. Dilemma e haha. Oge karana wa jikuthi ena ng'ombe mwe. Ng'ombe no rahe wa jiku kilo 5 kana kilo 6 kilo mane bieshikana
ntuge
kote that's fine kilo 5 ne bishikana
talk about
over 35 times 5.
Is it 55?
Nigga na 25.
165, less than 200.
That's what you got to
Wajikwa rokera roshine. Agathi gũcaria mahuti. Na thara. Agoka kahe ng'ombe yo.
Na macica atinde akiarara ini kuria.
Anatiga ogole macica mbuya cia macica ikuma kuiria 165 ara kate hale. Yeah. Are we together? By the end of the day, Wajiko anogetio ni ng'ombe yo. Iramuhe kilo 5. Ona ne muhe kilo 10. Ito ne ko maroshina akome hwai na akome hwai. Kilo 10 ni shilingi 200 na 300 na 50. Ashoke Wajiko igana limwe athie gole macica. Are we together? Wajiko na ciana igiri
kana haka mundu wa macica niguo akiona.
There you go. Now Wajiko kona atigirwo shilingi igana rimwe na kindu at the end of the day. No rarutira onge wira. Ni Wajiko rarutira ng'ombe kana ng'ombe rarutira Wajiko wira. So, are we together? Leo twata kunia dwaitu ku understand concept wio. Makabiria na ore dagetiaro roiga. Twi haria tuli umuthi, twina knowledge. Turahuthira knowledge yo na njira ya muthemba uriku. Are we together? Yes. Oko turahuthira knowledge ya njira opusire, tugutura turi andu opus. Na nikio da challenge ga andu mundu ajire na ng'ombe mwe kama biashara. No, you're working for your cow. Your cow is not working for you because your
cow is your employee.
Absolutely. Todo ati hiro shilingi gana rimwe na 50.
Yo erete
na duire hete mathaa macio matandatu. Nio kamire rushine na okerie dashigana.
Kenda
gukama. Washa kwa hadi gusharia madhara.
Murenya bugima uricoka kenda
ucoke uke kame hwaini. Are we together? O tigoro shilingi gana rimwe na 50 kana shilingi magana meri. No rautira ogewira. Duire hete. So, tuamberie guthomithia Wanjiku uria ekuhota ku value lipa yake.
Na professor tana mahuri. Wewe mahari ha ox driven. This share generated how do we connect now with the fourth industrial revolution? Neati no more katuge na innovation.
Absolutely.
Uno introduce kigo kege.
No more katuge
innovation.
No more katuge alikuwa Kenya gari. Kuri university au Kenya University of Technology. No more katuge na innovation. Ya kweheria Wanjiku kuwa kuri morao na tuge na app.
An application ego tuma kiria kugetha hari mana morao ine yako ni nyanyari ni ehera thoko yako waroko au kan thoko na
daduka.
You're getting how we are going to go to the house
ni ehera barrier
toge na innovation ehera morao toge innovation masiri more efficient ya hudira kahida kanini maybe yare mawega you know tole gia guma hauri twathi hari knowledge twage na app anakire aitume mathite universities na remege shagi okna na app ati Wajiko na itherero acio meko ni ithia kama uri no medido ciao to kirenyaga kana nyiri wa mahingura population ya andu almost 30 million Kenya na wathi in East Africa
era tokoragia 161 million.
That is how now you are moving from now the barrier even at the household level you can get your simple fourth industrial revolution. Tomoge gore the aggregate ya the furulire will feel it now.
Heka udwa gweta ndiwe kanda gutinya maikona twanoria nawe haha tukoria hari even governors yari atwe nao igida kuna Sonko University of Nairobi akiaria na aruto akimenya uhoro cio ragweta innovation hari gusolve mathina maria meguku thini wa university thini wa county ya Nairobi. Kugwa gweta Kirinyaga no twende kuigwa governor wa iguru Kirinyaga University rora muthuriti Gakuru kwena Kimathi University rora Murang'a aga University of Technology ino wakwa wa iria rora baba yao ena Kenyatta ena Jomo Kenyatta University a premier university rora EB rora Chuka rere kuuria tirire maiko isio ni resource ili dinwa on 10 counties
only knowledge
na ni knowledge nikitu tonaga aria maratongoria thini wa county either matire no menyo kana matire na bata wa gutumira resource ile thini wa county hiyo.
In fact university ni boas leta oya waitagira maitagi university ni hare wikete ohothe na niguo ugani datu ke disappointed ile darora the cabinet CC iria marathurirwo ni haraga deliberate effort ya county government ya koroni na marada kumane knowledge todo my thinking would have been no nyede kuona the link at the executive level ya maybe Kirinyaga University kire na county odie Kimathi University na county ya Nyeri odie
ona Karatina University na Nyeri
odie Nyandaro kinyare hadu etago agriculture to ni hare even a research to odie hadu etago Gano hare institute ya etago agriculture. So I would like to see how do you link that knowledge na executive to giria terere wa ku manage knowledge, how you manage your knowledge ne to be competitive.
Na how would they knowledge, the great there are two types of knowledge.
Almost three.
Okay, let me give you my first two. Enya mwitago tacit knowledge. Na tacit knowledge ne ogire we na gwa muciarire niwe wa odejenga o itoe ni no give street boy wa Nairobi re
ena ogifla
no le mwana waku kuma kuria sababu re umarekie tao ni mari ere the street boy will survive, your boy will not survive.
Ne kweyumeria
to na tacit ke knowledge hale getago
oge wa
muciarire hale getago explicit knowledge. Na explicit area to we learn that kuma kwe mashukuru kuma kwe mentors kuma kwe tuli nao na yo explicit knowledge re neo ehotaga kunyita area tacit knowledge nigwe ka me expand nigwe andu magatwika as good as they can be todo niwetekerie guthoma niwetekerie guthikeria andu aria
uga mauge mere he uge wa muciarire na uge wa githomo na wa environment na hariori uge wa githomo niguo ukoyo uria wa muciarire
absolutely ukautogeria na leo uri oyo wake litungiaga ri that's why jugaga Africans we are poor because we are poor tuli athini to tuli athini and I'll expand that later this is what it is ona ngai no igiria tiriri God says because you have rejected knowledge I have rejected you. It's in the Bible.
Tono mwalega ugi
umenyo are we together? And the problem we have is ignorance. Ignorance is the greatest enemy of man. But you know, greatest enemy yake. Now, all I know is what I've learned. Ni educated ni ure kugo gira guthoma ri no korwo ina ignorance ri no lege ko appreciate knowledge ri then okuri menyu hariori na nikio tuli na andu aingi athomu me ignorant tondu makwa ile knowledge no matio ko apply ugo dagatari kuga ko apply that knowledge to the situations that we are in real life. Are we together? Now, one at one of my shiori na juga also buying information does not give you revelation. Netoko de nako na togo na ninyonete ado igimuno go kumuda kahigura factory akabi kale equipment very complicated na madirale there is no knowledge but ado software in terms of adore wa go koran ke machine issue na nikio ogo dagatari aroiga disappointment ya kureto nayo na county government ne ati politicians wera wao niko provide environment niguo tuhote guka tuthomithia andu biashara ihingurwo niguo andu aria mena ugire na wonekire mabereria gwika atia ku develop no riu watuika politician niwe no how ni kemenyi everything yake koro politician
ne dothwa gutiri undu
riu thina uria twina guo riu o dothwa cio ri ukuingira county yothe na kurehe andu ndothwa
professor no akorwo atari mugi
no and around him
knowledge management.
Yes,
tukauga atiri ha indo igiri getagwo learning organization na organization learning. Okay, learning organization le ni uria ola di shukuru okefudithia no le within the organization na organization learning le ni atela manage maoge maya mothe twina mo nigetha ona rio tagakorwo hori nitugakorwo handu ungirifa ona ikorwo nduri mugi uri governor no gwetia the lessivua ya knowledge na andu aria angi makire kuo magute through koguo to mwaka ukorwo uri a PhD holder but it's how you manage that knowledge within the organization.
Ndomo kiko taru na nwali ya muno ili awali horo wa counties ate nituwe ta county ya Kiambu utakwaje taguito Kiambu
na ndagitari
ate county ya Kiambu no ihote kuya application ere mundu wothe wa Kiambu ate hena ka app gaka toko igira WhatsApp no riria we hori igira haha twenderie kiwe na kio ate mundu we
ana chido opportunities leadership
mundu ire muru yaramenya mwe mutoku igurwe na ngienda tukurwe twana niyo ekugira kona tukureho ate taru mundu wito ndagitari SK Macharia araikarire thi arona andu aria makoragwo gate-ini ria nyune mwe andu aria makoragwo marugamite gate-ini ria magicaria wira angi marenda gutuika actors angi marenda gutuika memerekia angi marenda gutuika reporters
aini
ningi muno angi marehire CD ciao araikara thia reciria atiriri andu ayo the digota komandika no adayo the no the my opportunity ya guthondeka
absolutely
another platform
reke tuone platform hiyo
absolutely
etago view sasa
na ndebe roagire muno
hera mwago mweru wa gugucanjamura merigiro biro ria wendete thini wa thimu yaku handu o hothe riria urenda gigithi
amancho mwalimu obi yango tejo mwalimu titukega kondo gegukwa abaswahili baterete emete yonzi yagotere
kimaraguri
kichokoralike ibona ko emdeti jare
gikuyu
tatu barakanya dire ona mutigwete kiende todo kanya beire maya
kibukusu
menye munya kana manye mulisese mbecha msanga ruweni mbalo anga samara moja banoli abundu osio sinyo muri abesese ndio
na vyo nyingi ciothe ire thini wa View Sasa ku download View Sasa app andika kiugo View Sasa utume kuri 40984 o riu View Sasa ikurehera video mwaki iria
application hiyo ni application ate wewe mwini ugathie ukarehe nyimbo ciaku ukaneana gwa View Sasa ukamera nyimbo ici ciakwa njitagwo ng'ania wa ng'ania na nyimbo ici ciakwa K aya makoya magakwa uploadira na nie jikarite gwakwa muciiri ga upload application hiyo ati ndirathi ndangieterera kuona ogone ndenda kaundu nitugaga comedy ngaigira View Sasa ngerore riu we uthakire ithako ria marevetari oria irathi kionekanaga no gurathi ukihana
absolutely
that's 40%
absolutely neori that's the fourth industrial revolution we are talking. Let me give you some numbers by 2020 how many years from now? Three years from now 30 billion devices igakorwa connected na internet 30 billion Together billion shit na more in the world about 7 billion about 7.5 but by the year 2020 30 billion devices when are the machine na more ni need like that na computer na laptop that's what I'm talking about the presence yago koro adu on the internet 30 billion devices that is a only market that is 5 times the size of the current market
to Facebook
kego heshio 1.55 billion people are on Facebook. China men are 1.3 billion. So Facebook currently will be the largest country in the world in terms of population. Go ahead. 925 and above million. They use Google each month. 925 million. Absolutely. 800 million of Google users matomaga instant messages every day, every month. Facebook, 45 billion messages are sent every single day. Facebook, 45 billion. Are we together? Now, 88 billion of video views every day. Now, Viusasa.
No?
That's where it is. 8 billion
Video on
views.
demand.
8 billion views every single day.
Now, you get how you get it. A few stars a day. That is a master stroke. To get you at the knowledge management at its excellence.
At its best.
At its best. So do they chairman SKD nera hote ku manage knowledge ile nayo in terms of the capacity ya organization yake roll out that. So already can go at lower media rate it is very competitively. Na leo duka garau Professor Ego media niyo eta almost what we call now the blue ocean strategy.
Wadie kodo utare kuravio.
At what make competition irrelevant. You see what means knowledge management. You're harikabuni. Laura in blue ocean strategy at the competition today. It's no longer relevant now. Knowledge set a piece.
So you provide platform. Go to have infrastructure. Don't have to have manpower.
No.
Nita machine.
No, grow the economy. The economy is involved in terms of the turnover average. It's massive. Todo ulawa modu ni arehe na video yake hau modu ndamiona na Troga you can see na baida Professor Lauga. Troga maybe in Kenya maybe about almost 10 million Kenyans will view. So I go that even 10% of that views the video and only a percentage. What does that mean?
No kutora ule hago.
Ona re washiringi thano kana igire kana ithatu.
What is the aggregate?
No ndikane video no wekiro muthi. Tikuga ati tondu yo no muthi na rucio noke. Ndigutika kuono. Hari mundu uri nda kwirorera na kwirorera na kwirorera.
Yana na korifa.
Ukadikana ati oyerorero yurariho.
Absolutely.
Ati we dagi hota kuhe andu othe wira. No ahote andu othe nedo komire.
Ati amahe platform. Rehe kiria we nakyo.
Nedo is a marketplace.
Hari mundu raugire ati dio na mukaragia raugire gutire mundu tare mwandike.
Tado ne wera marare.
Le opportunity station iraga. No ikimagine do lema ko mare on that platform. We're talking ado igana hari Kenya.
Na kaunti sija kuno nikitodo ni desiragia body bowl maudu maya magi mothe ona uge ukadivovo na maudu maya magi makadivovo ati ugeikara na CEC aria me CEC yako to mundu tondu arai murata wa kuigwa campaign
na niho Professor kugaga atiriri we are poor
because we are poor.
Turiatheni tondu gutuga atiriri very example ni hena example jega muno county yake ya Buri with a collaboration na maybe JKUAT kana research family shina kuri no can app atukira kuhada irigori oni gore hada go
Ukali hakanya mkanini
no le miaka ya shiriki kibao
utajira atere
kuga atere the aggregate ni kuga atere wani na horo akiri utawo food insecurity na wahea do besha mihuko
na ndo nora mahenginya thoko
no agurira kibikibi extension officer athiruka gicakuna na nduthi enyo maguta omugurire ke omure mushara it is important but agrisha do igana and at what time
goyora geterere Michael nukurikana twena igatha deputy governor na twamarehete hamwe na Dr. Isaac Karanja kuma kore beauty mumetaga faculty ya
beauty economics is it beauty economics
beauty engineer na architect ati no kugena government to government partnership eto dorere eta county government ya Nairobi enyita na university ya Nairobi makorani wakonta baba yao county government ya Kiambu manyitane na either Kenyatta University kana Jomo Kenyatta University na gwatire kunyiha haya gwito Nyeri Kibabi University Karatina University kwa iguru Karatina eto Kirinyaga University ndahakije kuyuria tili no arora ndware ya mundu witu marahe irumo ira masisi mundu witu no mako no ria ujiraga ati neva gigiro pizza uria makaga ugo ni gwa makisi
ndekere ngwire bona ihura
niguo tugeikiri
operative word ni digital customer, digital leadership, digital technology,
money transfer,
and digital business. One to accept that we're operating word ni digital, then to be now to understand knowledge that we now manage. Now, going back to the universities. When a Professor Igushu we have done a lot of this.
No, by the way, Professor Igushu is an old man but very knowledgeable.
Nituleka kwa dekahadu uhoro wa rural universities na importance ya rural university. Ogra America umode America ya kolide from the 1700s. Nudo akido getago land grant universities. Na land grant universities in area wadiaga every state there is California State Universities, there is state universities na wera washo bwana jega na leto higuraga Egerton na JKUAT. We had that idea in mind no do abia na kuaga focus taru JKUAT has no business with the media ma technology, but no do I drive.
But you got media certificate.
No, none of those. And
universities, but you got media certificate.
It's about technology. Now, when he guragoli, agriculture.
Premier University Agriculture.
Premier University Agriculture. No, you do I drive. Yako generate beer. University, they walked away from their core mandate.
Sasa tukire real task ate ma university mothe orakora gukire university na Nairobi ita na nyumba ya 1 billion why are they not in real estate business?
Absolutely.
How to have knowledge management?
No way. Because you guys today our public universities today, they are the largest private universities. Now, which is very true. That's the drama head here. She go to private universities. So going back to the management here knowledge bonajega. If kotu na oriato gota kuhudera tarukia bu to hodere JKUAT
na Kenyatta
to hodere Kenyatta
St. Paul
to hodere St. Paul's
Mount Kenya
to hodere Mount Kenya ya could drive development kiabu to hata kukura na ihenya muno. The problem is adoito we are afraid of data. Data to collect data, and that's why the rest of the world matuhoraga. So do they use big data to understand what they are doing? Na go daga tare kugaga tare uri odiaga ha wadiaga nakumat ukaheoga kadi ugaronera hayo point. They are not interested in your point. Interest ya manda kumenya shopping habits yaku
ugura maita
na nikioguraga ne at the end of the day makamenya product isi ha hali to tigo stock litoeno to ne shikaraga muno data tiwera tore hare hagi ohodere big data no go drive development. The problem we data. Data also never weaknesses. Now do ito mati da kumenyo ni weak. They're very afraid.
Da kumenyo mawave.
Ne kemenyi. Na araga tu ya kemenyi akahorado ado magakira. They create chaos. Ne disruption.
Itago chaos.
Dena tuikirie please. Ona todo horo ni odire ugo walikira. Niguo tugicoka ri turania atiriri ona andu anyinyi jamba njithe mbeũ njithe ni atia tungihota kumarehe tondu kuratuika gutire na mawira ati mawabici mothe mangioya andu arĩa marauma thukuru na thukuru nacio nĩ iraruta andu aingĩ muno ni atia tungika toguo view sasa riu ikireka ni atia tungika county-inĩ ni atia tungika thĩinĩ wa community tuone ati nĩ twe create na nĩ twagĩa na mawĩra maitũ ithuothe ntabarĩra ya Kimũrĩ mũthenya ũmũthĩ tũrarĩria ũhoro wĩgiĩ ũgĩ mũgeni na ũgĩ ũcio mũgeni tũkorania atĩrĩrĩ nĩ atia ũngĩgũthondekera we uhote gwĩthondekera wagatwe tũikĩrie tucoka kahinda karĩ kũnene.